Hello everyone, welcome back. I have some more presets to give away. They'll be in the description below. These are for any social media or any logo or any transparent image. It'll take regular images too, but obviously it wouldn't look correct. These will work on 16:9 aspect ratio. I originally designed them for the vertical resolution for social media, but you can use them on the other two. I'll demonstrate that in a moment. I made some the other day I gave away. They were an effect to drop on a PNG picture. These ones you bring in, and these are just some of them. There's 22 altogether. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's on the screen. I'll go over a few things here. You turn the background on or off. It is transparent, so you can put whatever you want under it when it's turned off. You have a vertical, horizontal, four corner, and gradient. Motion blur, flip. And to replace the logo, these are just in here as default. So put whatever you want in there. Select browse. There's Instagram. And they'll automatically size accordingly. This one's 500 by 500. I recommend that when you name them to use letters. A lot of times when you use numbers, they don't want to work right. If you do run across that, just change the name. And this one's 1500 by 1500. And it automatically resizes. But of course, you can size it to whatever you'd like. And if you want to animate it, to rotate, right click on angle, expression, type in time, multiplied by whatever number you want. Higher the number, the faster to rotate, lower the number, slower. These all are different. Some of them might look alike, but they're not. They are different. So again, to replace it, just select the browse button. And this one is more of a 16:9, 1536 by 1024. And it seems to fit in there just fine and resize itself. And Twitter. And they all work up here. And like I said, the logo is a little on the large side here. But if you need to resize it, I'm just going to let these play through so you have an idea what you have going on. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.